EasyMaint offers a maintenance master plan where you can see the maintenance status of each asset that you have in your company. We access this module through the scheduling options. Once this window is open, we select the dates that we want, and then we click on Plan. The system will show all the maintenance schedules for the period of time that we selected. Each column represents each week of the year, thus there are 53 columns. Each row represents the assets that are in the plant. The colors represent the status that has each work order. For example, in red you can see those work orders that are scheduled but delayed, green represents those work orders that are scheduled and on time. On blue, you can see the work orders that were cancelled. And in black you can see those work orders that have been completed. We can select a week, and EasyMaint will show all the work orders scheduled for that week. You can easily open the work orders, and see the dates, and all the information of each work order. You can also select just one asset, and see the maintenance schedule for the entire year. There are some filters that will help you if you need specific information, such as asset type, department, location, etc. Also, you can filter through the work order status. For example, you can ask EasyMaint to show just the work orders that have been completed, or the ones that are still pending to be done. You can print the annual schedule.